Oh, I got a pulse game.
Hi.
Hello?
There's a package for the Canuck Brothers.
You don't look like you're from Canada Post.
And this package doesn't look like it's from YouTube.
Is this a joke?
I don't know.
Thanks, dude.
Come on, we got more fake parcels to deliver.
He wasn't supposed to say that. Would you be interested in... What's that?
Some parcel from YouTube. Some guy told me. I don't know if it's actually from YouTube.
From not YouTube to the Canuck Brothers.
Well, we're a YouTube channel.
Should we open it?
I say open it!
What the heck? It's in
It's just YouTube one.
a Lego box.
What's supposed to say there? Look. This.
It's in a Lego box, for God's sake.
Who puts things in a Lego box?
Are ghosts, right?
I think. Well,
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
What? It looks like a bronze play button, man.
Looks like gold, but I think it's a bronze. Oh, baby.
Alright guys, in all seriousness, I know we hit 100 subscribers a while ago, but this is just really to thank each and every one of you who is subscribed, who watches our videos and likes our videos.
And by the way, if you're not subscribed, come on, subscribe. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, subscribe, so hopefully one day we could get a real one from real YouTube.
100,000 subscribers!
And not a fake one from not YouTube. Anyways, this is our bronze play button for now. We'll find a place to put it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe so one day we could get a real one.
Peace out.
We love you guys.